Welcome to English with Katie. It's Monday, Video Monday, and we are beginning our week. And our week begins with, it was riveting. It was riveting. It was riveting. This is used when you are watching something and you can't stop watching it. You keep your eyes on it because it's amazing. Now I'll tell you something that was riveting for me. About 10 years ago, one of my cats had kittens, and she put her paws against my hands, and I watched her push, and out came her babies. It was riveting. It was riveting. I couldn't stop watching. I didn't shut my eyes. It was riveting. So, something that you just keep watching. It was riveting. Thank you so much. I hope you have a riveting week. Take care. Bye.